MJD with your video for you. Today we're here with this Hyundai iX35 and a 2012 registration. I've had a previous call out to a crank but no start situation with this. We checked and it came down to being the manifold pressure sensor, which is just that one there. Can go a shine a light on the situation. It said it wasn't sending a signal at the time, so what I did is I came out, I cleaned it. Obviously while I was doing the diagnostics I didn't have one. It started immediately and worked perfectly fine for a few weeks after cleaning it. Upon coming today, I've came and the customer's had a few issues where it hasn't started again, it's been the same. I've checked in the diagnostics, there's no trouble codes logged on there. But what we've done is, obviously in the past it has been that there. So we've got one of the sensors, which is just down here. It's a 10mm bolt just to put it in there. You can see that there. Down by there. And then it's just a fully off connect. And so you lift the cabbage gently in and pull it off. There isn't a specific reset procedure that seems to be in the special functions for this. You can see there we've got a lovely adaptive map pressure sensor. So one of the reasons why these have such a difficulty on this engine and create a no crank, no start condition is this car doesn't use a mass airflow filter at all. So it relies upon this map pressure sensor to let it know what airflow is coming in altogether. That's its main input with regards to the air. Obviously it is a GDI engine and it relies heavily upon knowing how much air is there to get the fuel measurements correct. And without that it can't ever set the correct measurement of fuel. You can see the live pressure there, so if you look, see how quickly it's fluctuating there. It fluctuates very, very quickly. I noted last time after we'd cleaned it that the vehicle started responding a hell of a lot better, and on the road test, as I'd actually did some braking a few weeks before, it was, I would say, an impressive difference. So if you've been experiencing a bit of a sluggish movement in your car, you've got a map pressure sensor code, that's where you'll find it. It wasn't a massively expensive part. You're generally looking around £60 for the part. There was, as I say, I've checked on the diagnostics to make sure there's no further codes coming into it. If you need to replace your map sensor on your Hyundai iX35, that's where to look, and as I say, because it doesn't use a map, it makes it incredibly difficult for the car to work without input from the sensor. Have a great day. Please like, subscribe and get in touch.